Hey guys, welcome and thank you so much for being here with me again. Okay, today we have a quickly mini Hifu tutorial or portable Hifu tutorial, that you can do once a month or when you have a special occasion, or if you don't want to do the full treatment that I did and you have in this channel, you can do this quickly tutorial. You also have a very informative video that I did, and I create a playlist about mini Hifu. You will have all of my mini Hifu, portable Hifu and Hifu videos there. And I also create another playlist, one of them called English video, and there you have all of my videos and another playlist too. So we are going to do different movements and very quickly. It's a very quickly tutorial, so I'm going to clean my face twice and I'm back. Okay, I'm ready. I have ultrasound gel on my face and on the device, and I have ultrasound gel to reapply. We turn it on. I go in level number 2, doing different movements than the other video that you have in this channel and in this playlist. So I start from here to here, from the corner of my mouth to here, to these lines and these wrinkles. We want a lifting, so I'm going to do passes very quickly in level number 2 and then in level number 3. So I turn it on and we start. Here now. Now, from here to here, for these wrinkles and saggy skin that we have here, so I put it here and 1, 2, 3, and now 1, 2, 3. We work here now, from here to here. And now we move from here to the hair. And let's go. And again. I put on my eyebrows and I plump it. All in level number 2. And now from the center to my hair. And in the center, I need more ultrasound gel. So I go from here to the hair. Level number 2, remember. So, like this. 1, 2, 3. And now we are going again, but in level number 3. 1, passes, only one. So and here again. Now from here to here. 1, 2, 3, and to my eyebrows to the hair, and then from here to here and in this area. Wait. Okay, I'm ready. 1, 2, center, okay, and now in this area, in our double chin, and this area and our neck. So I need to reapply gel, ultrasound gel, and I'm back. And we are going to do passes in level number 3. So be very, very careful. I put it here in the center of my double chin and move it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and in our neck, please don't touch the center of your neck. I say it before, but it's very, very important to know that. I go from here to here. 3 passes, level number 3. And now we are going up from here to here, like this. Okay, and now I go to work on my eyes again. I reapply ultrasound gel on the device, on the mini Hifu or portable Hifu. And in level number 3, I go here, I plump it and move it. Plump it and move it, and plump it and move it again, and now up. 1, 2, 3, and the center. And that's it. This is the very quickly tutorial. I'm going to record there the last days, because this treatment is progressive. The results are progressive. So you are going to see a difference in this side of my face. And I want to record that tomorrow and the next days and all of this week to show you how my face looks different in this side if you compare this side with this another side. So thank you so much for being here with me, guys, and thank you so much for all your support. I really love you guys. Thank you.